pumunta yung bagong rules. Ang bagong rules sa SSS na mag-ipikar ngayong March. Kaya guys, panoorin nyo to para malaman nyo kung ano-ano ang mga rules na to. Sa Dais Camarines Norte, the Social Security System is the urging all pensioners to report to the SSS for the annual confirmation of pensioners or ACOP to enable them to continue receiving their monthly pensions. So, ibig sabihin guys, every birthday, pagsapit ng birthday ng member na namayapa ng SSS pensioner, yung survivor magpunta doon sa office ng SSS para mag-comply, para hindi matigil ang pension kada every month. Urging all pensioners to report the SSS for annual confirmation of pensioners. Taon-taon to ginagawa guys. Every year, isang bisis lang, kada birthday lang. Birthday ng member. Namatay man siya o buhay pa, kailangan mag-akop. Yung mga 80 years old din, kailangan mag-akop pagdating sa birthday nila. Yan guys. Ang public service announcement came as the SSS started soliciting the confirmation process at the start of the new year. Starting na ngayon guys, March 2024 is. Kaya guys, si Gina Rodriguez, a 55-year-old native of Mercedes town in Camarines Norte, did not receive her pension for 2 months because she failed to appear in person at the SSS. Hindi niya napuntahan ang SSS pagsapit ng birthday kung siya ay survivor. Sana mayapa niyang asawa or isa siyang survivor pensioner. Hindi siya nagkapunta, hindi siya nakareport sa office ng SSS due to her hectic work schedule in Manila, kaya natigil. Reporting to SSS annually can prevent pension delays. Kaya guys, every year to mag-report sa SSS para hindi matigil ang inyong SSS monthly. At itong ACO program has revised its guidelines. May guidelines ito guys, stating that retirement pensioners who are residing in the Philippines and are 80 years old and above should comply with the program starting March. Guys, starting ngayong March 2024, kailangan ang mga 80 years old and above mag-comply din sa SSS, sa office ng SSS para mag-continue ang kanilang mga pensyon. Si Frida Ebidor, a junior management assistant of the SSS branch in Dait, said that if a pensioner is unable to visit the SSS, they can request the agency to instead visit them. Guys, kung hindi daw kayo makapunta sa daming mga dahilan na hindi na maiwasan, mag-request na lang kayo sa SSS na sila na ang magpunta sa inyong bahay para mag-comply na kayo ay buhay pa, para hindi matigil ang pensyon nyo. The implementation of the ACO program also applies to other pensioners, such as retirement pensioners residing abroad, total disability pensioners, and dependent children under guardianship. Yung mga dependent pensioner, yung mga merong nag-alaga, sila yon ang mag-comply ng ACOP. Dala lang sila ng video or mga picture para ipakita, or ang SSS na ang papuntahin sa bahay ng mga pensioner na hindi makapunta ng SSS dahil sa mga halimbawa masakitin, hindi makalakad. Yan guys, ang SSS na ang magpunta doon para mag-akop ang pensyon. SSS will take action regarding pensioners' account The includes continuing, suspending, or canceling the benefit. O kapag hindi makaakop, ang mga pensyon nyo, masuspend or makancel. Makancel ang mga benefit or resuming the suspended or canceled pension benefit. Kapag kayo ay nakaakop, mag-continue ang pension. Required to comply with the ACOP program shall report to the SSS on the month of their birth date for retirement and total disability. On the month of birth of the deceased member. Sa araw ng birth date ng deceased member o yung namatay na member for the death or survivor pensioner, ang survivor pensioner ang mag-comply with the ACOP program. Pensioner can comply with the ACOP program through personal or visual confirmation such as over-the-counter at an SSS branch office and video conferencing in SSS prescribed platforms, and also be done without visual confirmation through mail or email to file through the guardian and authorized representative. Kung sino yung mga authorized representative, yun ang mag-comply sa ACOP. Yan guys. Sana maintindihan nyo ang aking mga sinasabi. Sana. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.